fall brings us to the season that we all dream of, which is Christmas, and I cannot wait for that. So excited. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Gladys here. Guys, let's speak of the elephant in the room. I have no more belly. My face is a little swollen because I just gave birth. As you guys can see in the thumbnail, my baby is here. By the way, if you're wondering what's his name is Silhouette. I love it, which means miracle. And he's excited to be here, so am I. It's been a long time since I filmed another video, and I wanted to go ahead and film for you guys my family house tour, family of 6 now. We're no longer saying family of 5 because of baby Silhouette. It's a family of 6 now, and I wanted to go ahead and share my family house tour fall edition. It smells so good in here. It feels so warm and cozy, and I'm like, what better time to go ahead and share another house tour? This is it. Let's go. There's so much details in there. Come on, let's go. I really wanted this space to feel very cozy, to feel like the season. Let's start the tour with my entryway. My entryway is very small and narrow, and I keep it very simple. Just added some nice, colorful, branch with some candle to just bring the scent of the season in the house. It smells so good. And this is the night view. I'm going to give you guys a night view of every room, so please stay tuned and watch them all so you can get that cozy feeling. But I love that. I light up this candle that I got from Threshold at Target, and I love this scent. I actually turn it around because I don't like seeing the sticker on it. But it makes this entryway feel so warm and cozy, and fall doesn't have to be all so colorful. It can be fall without being all crazy. This is how my curtains look like in my living room, and for the season of fall and Christmas, I wanted the curtain to be a little bit more warm and moody and less light entering the house, and I decided to go ahead and change the curtains that were here from IKEA to these beautiful curtains that I got from Amazon, and I will link it below. They are velvet, they are great quality, and they came exactly like that. I didn't have to steam it. You can steam it if you want to, but we are trying to live a soft life here, not a hard one. So I love how it brought the living room together. Now let's get into the detail of this beautiful living room setup. I really wanted the house to feel very cozy, so I opted out for very warm colors, and I love these candles from H&M. They're burnt so beautifully, and the color matches my curtain and my flowers. Everything matches here, and it was not even done on purpose. I just love that color, and lighting it up just makes the place feel so warm and cozy here. Talking about light, guys, I love this Amazon fire pit. I love the ambience it gives here. When my kids came home, they were so happy to see that here. I really wanted this for the season and also for winter and Christmas. I cannot wait to light this up. Next to it, this was paired up with the evening tide candle. It's from the Artwick, and it smells like fall. I love the black candle holder that is in it, and it just makes this place feel so cozy. This is the night view, guys. Doesn't it make you want to stay home, eat some popcorn and watch some movies? I love this. You can have minimalism, and it does not have to be boring. When we wake, say hi to the little one. He's cozying up on the couch, which brings me into my next item here. I have this chunky blanket, guys. This is actually a Threshold brand, but I got it for a fraction of the price. If you've seen some of my previous videos on what things I do not buy as a minimalist anymore, you will know that I don't buy brand new items. at a brand new price. This was purchased for about $9, and usually normal price is about $39 to $49. But I love how chunky it is. We had movie night here and the kid wanted to cozy up. We used this and laid it on our legs and watch some TV. This is what the holidays is all about. This is why I strive to create this cozy and not only cozy but functional living room. I mean, you don't have to have a lot of stuff. It doesn't mean that the things that you have to be boring. I just love the texture. I love the color it brought, and it just brought me so much warmth in the living room. I love it, guys. For fall here on this console table, I wanted something simple but something that also screams fall. So I added the table lamp right here, which I got from the Goodwill a few years back. I love it. Also, lighting up the candle on the table makes this place feel so warm and cozy. Look at that view. It just looks so beautiful to me, guys. I love neutral colors help me calm down, and I think that's part of the minimalism aesthetic as well, using a lot of neutral. But you can be a minimalist without having neutral colors. Really, you can. It's just paring down to less things and enjoying your home, guys. I just love how this turned out to be. This is one of my favorite floor lamps, guys. This is from Amazon. I will also link it below. I have few floor lamps in my home, one here and one upstairs. I wanted to show you guys how you can change the lighting here and set up the mood. There's actually one that's for breastfeeding mothers. It's pretty cool. One for reading books and gaming, and one for working at home on the computer. So that's pretty cool. So my favorite one is actually the one for actually reading books. It just looks so warm, and it just make this place feel very cozy. You may ask yourself, well, where is the rest of the house? Well, this is my kitchen. There's no fall decor there apart from the wreath that is in pampas grass. I do not like adding anything on my kitchen top or anywhere in my kitchen because I feel some type of way. I just like cleaner countertops because I bake goods there and cook and everything like that. But the remaining of the house, we're going to tour it in the next video. So definitely stay tuned. We're going to tour my family room. But guys, I love how everything turned out to be here. You don't have to have a lot of money and a lot of things to do the things that you love. You can have a design and color palette and design your home on a very inexpensive budget. My house is not big, it's not fancy. This is it, but you guys keep coming back every week to watch this video, different videos, and it brings me so much joy in my heart to know that you guys care, and a simple home and a realistic home like this resonate with many of you guys. So I truly appreciate it. I really want to get to 3K before the end of the year or by the end of the year. So please share this video with someone who's in need of inspiration. And if you're new here, I would truly appreciate if you subscribe. It's actually free, and click on the like button so that this video can go higher in the YouTube algorithm. But God bless you guys. I truly appreciate it. Stay tuned and keep watching the video. If this makes you feel good, let me know in the comment below. I will truly appreciate. I read all your comments, and say hi to baby Silhouette.